In this video, I'm going to show you how you can switch on TunnelBear VPN. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and open your TunnelBear VPN program. And once you are here, for this to be effective or to turn on this VPN, you need to go ahead and toggle on this button here. You can see currently it is off. If I turn it on, you can see I'm connected and my location has now changed to this location. And you can see I have a notification that I'm now connected. From here, you can now change to any location as you wish by just selecting the location, and you will be switched to that location. And by doing so, your VPN will have changed on TunnelBear VPN on your computer. And now, whenever you browse, you'll be browsing with your new location turned on. So if you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.